The sudden death of actor Bob Saget on Sunday at the age of 65 left fans and entertainers alike stunned. Those who worked with Saget recalled both his humor and his warmth, including Full House and Fuller House co-stars John Stamos and Candace Bure. On TV, Saget had a largely wholesome image as family patriarch Danny Tanner on Full House and Fuller House, and as the first host of the long-running America's Funniest Home Videos franchise. But there was also another side to his comedy, as Saget was known for a hilariously raunchy stand-up routine. He was on tour with that act when he was found dead in a Florida hotel room on Sunday. Entertainers shared their thoughts and memories.